Hello friends, we all know the danger of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, but we thought to remind you again before introducing what exactly we are doing. You know, when we are adding more fertilizer and pesticides in our soil, it increases the soil acidity, which alters the soil fertility. We say it soil depletion. Recently, Indian Institute of Soil Science has conducted the survey of 18 Indian states and found a very scary picture. Major states like Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab and Bihar, which produce our 50% of grain requirements and feeding 40% of the population, are missing vital nutrients. And why it is happening? Because earlier days, farmers were using more of organic fertilizers and pesticides, which ensures that whatever has been taken out from the soil is replenished. Let me give you more data what we have done by using more chemical fertilizer and pesticides. Several years ago, a serving of spinach had 150 milligrams of iron. Same serving today has less than 5 milligrams of iron. Let me give you more examples. Recently, British Food Journal study reported that in last 50 years, potato has lost several nutrients like vitamin A by 100%, vitamin C and iron by 57%, calcium by 28%, riboflavin, thiamine by 57%. And this is not a single story. There are more than 25 fruits and vegetables where the story is same. Let me talk about the chemical residue or toxic residue in our food. Recently, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University has conducted the survey and done the study and found that an American consumes 7.6 milligrams of toxic residue in their food per day, and when it's come to the Indian, we consume 40 times higher than what they are consuming. Non-vegetarian Indians consume 352 milligrams of toxic residue in their food. When it's come to the vegetarian, even it is higher. It is 362 milligrams of toxic residue per day in their food. Even you add the reality of soil depletion, premature food harvesting, food processing, additives, cooking, then how much real nutrient left when we are eating these food? I think, my dear friend, very less, and it is scary. If we keep adding chemical fertilizers and pesticides in our soil, then the vegetable and fruits grown out of it is going to be junk food. So, my dear friend, we have to stop it now. So, what is the solution? Solution is knowledge and innovation. Say no to chemicals. It is pseudo green and going to harm you. We, Innovative Organic Agri India, on 24th of November 2020, going to give you a complete solution for your organic gardening and farming. We are welcoming you to join the team to reduce the chemicals and pesticides in our food. My dear friend, if we keep using this chemical fertilizer and pesticides, then it is going to kill us or make us more sicker. So it is more obvious than ever that our society should implement all these innovative organic fertilizers and pesticides in their home gardening and organic farming. So come join our team and we are going to give you the complete solution. Hope we will see you all in our inauguration. Thank you very much.